Okay, we are starting with chapter 12, that is group 17. This is about halogens. So these are all the things that we are going to look into. Before we start, write down the electronic configuration of bromine atom. We are just going to open the periodic table and we will see where these halogens are located. Okay, this is the group that is there. This is our group 17. These are all the elements that are present in group 17: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Okay, these are halogens because these are sea salt makers. That's the name that is given. Now what we are asked over here is we are supposed to get the electronic configuration of bromine. Okay, the atomic number of bromine is 35. So there will be 35 protons, and we will write its electronic configuration in simple electronic configuration terms we are going to write, and then we are going to write in terms of SPDF configuration. Okay, this is simple electronic configuration to 8, 18, 7. If you add up all of this, okay, 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 7, 17 plus 18, this is 35. This is electronic configuration in simple terms. That is for bromine. Then we are going to take up electronic configuration in terms of SPDF orbitals also, but that all we are going to take them together. The second question that we are coming over here is the oxidation number of chlorine can vary. Give its oxidation number in the following compounds: NaCl and NaClO. I think so this part you should try to work this out on your own. Even the third question is also simple. Explain which element is oxidized and which is reduced in terms of oxidation number. You will find out, and you will give me the answer for second and the third question. Just work this out on your own. Okay, oxidation number of chlorine in NaCl.
-1.
Correct, NaCl is there. Obviously, Na is plus one group and one element it is. So Cl is going to be -1. Then in case of NaClO, what will be its oxidation number? See, this is NaClO. There is no overall charge over here, so we are going to write this as is equal to 0. Na is going to be +1. Cl we are going to take X, and oxide is -2 oxygen. Okay, so this is going to give me X -1 is equal to 0, so that is X is equal to +1. Okay, so for NaCl, the oxidation number is going to be -1. For NaClO, chlorine here, the oxidation number is going to be +1. Now explain which element is oxidized and which is reduced in this reaction. Did you attempt this question?
Yes.
What is the answer for this? Fe over here, what is the oxidation number? And in FeCl3, what is the oxidation number of Fe? Here again, there is no charge over here, so oxidation number is 0. FeCl3,
3, yeah, because
this
it's
is going
Cl.
to be +3. Okay, so 0 is becoming +3. This is gain of electron or loss of electron. It is loss of electrons. It is 0 is becoming positively charged. It means electrons are lost. It is losing negative charge. So oil rig, if you are going to apply, oxidation is loss of electrons. So Fe is oxidized to FeCl3 or Fe is oxidized to Fe3 plus. And chlorine obviously will be the other way around. It is going to be reduced. Then dot cross diagram to show the covalent bonding in chlorine molecule. Only the outermost shell electrons you are supposed to indicate. Okay. Then bond energy is the amount of energy required to break the bond between the molecules. The unit of bond energy is going to be kilojoules per mole. We are going to write all of these things, but you are going to show me the electron dot cross diagram of chlorine molecule with only outermost orbit. We are going to write this definition and also the unit of bond energy.